Alright, I'm back with another video. This video is basically on 180 waves, how to start 180 waves for a coarse hair waver. Apparently you guys like my coarse hair waver video, so I definitely had to come back with another banger on 180 waves for coarse hair wavers. So this video is for you. So let me just show you what mine's looking like. You know, they're laid down, you know, you feel me? And everything. So, okay, so how to start 180 waves for coarse hair wavers is back to the brushes. Back to the brushes, back to the basics, You need to make sure you have a brush like this. You need to have a longer brush, you need to have a good brush, and you need to put brush work in, obviously. But you want to make sure you're cut too. You want to make sure, it's really up to you if you want to do a high fade or a lower fade. I had a high fade in the past. I got a lower fade now. It's like pretty much just like taper and everything. But to start, you don't need much. You don't need to have like a whole lot of products, or you don't need to have like a whole lot of like do-rags and everything. I know that's kind of popular now, like to have like, you know, different types of velvet do-rags, you know, this type of do-rag, this type of do-rag. But if you really just want progress, you just gotta brush. You just gotta brush. You gotta, boom, brush. You need to have a mirror, and you know how I suggest having like a hard brush. This is a soft brush, but like I suggest having like a hard brush to give you that pull, but you don't need a lot, man. Like you really just need hair. I would say grow your hair too. Oh yeah, I want to get on that too. You need to grow your hair. So if you're starting off, you don't necessarily have to scalp your hair. Like you don't have to ball your head. I mean, you can if you want to. Like you want a clean start. But you could just get a fade. Like I would say, kind of like around that length. Like you're gonna go. I would say maybe like a 1. I'll say 1. Yeah, I'll say a 1. 1.5. 1.5. Yeah, probably do like a 1.5 if you're just starting out. And start off with that and just brush. Like just keep brushing and putting in brush work and everything like that. And you'll start to see ripples. Like somebody actually commented that. So when you start to see ripples, you're making progress. Like congratulations, pat on the back. Like you're doing good. Like you're getting progress, you're getting waves. If you ever see a ripple or you start to see your hair like curling up or whatever like that, progress. So to keep up with that and to make sure you turn the ripples into waves, you want to brush. You want to brush it out. You want to straighten out the ripple. And that's going to give you waves. The more you do that, the longer you grow your hair, the more consistent you are with it, the better your waves are going to be. Like so. You don't need a whole bunch of products. You don't need like a whole bunch of, you don't need all that. Like just keep it simple. Make sure you got a good brush. You know, wear your do-rag. Obviously wear your do-rag. Like, I recommend silky do-rags like all the time, every day, all day. It's probably like $3. Like, I think mine was like $3. Make sure it's like longer. It's like $3. Get one of those, wear it every day. Brush. Brush out the ripples. Like if you got ripples, you're on your way, like you're good. Just you're gonna brush, and you're gonna have waves. Like just brush out the ripples. And oh yeah, make sure you add me on Snapchat. You know my Snapchat is probably gonna show up, so just add me on there if you have any questions, because you know I get back to you real quick. Every time. So add me on Snapchat, my social media. You can add me if you want to. And everything like that, but yeah, man, just brush, man. Just grab a brush, relax, play some music, just brush. Do that like every day. Your hair's gonna grow. You know, obviously your hair's gonna grow. So the more you brush, the more hair you have, the more waves you're gonna get. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching the video. I'll be back with more videos. Thanks so much. I'm out.